hyperpigmentation of the bikini line can be due to several reasons, the most common being genetic factors. Some people are more likely to develop excess pigmentation in this area than others. Other common causes include overexposure to harmful ultraviolet, UV, sunrays, some type of skin disease, wearing polyester underwear, regular shaving and constant friction between the thighs due to wearing clothes that are too tight. These methods may take some time, so you need to start early in the season and have patience to get positive results. 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is a popular natural skin lightener. When used on a regular basis, it can help skin become lighter and fade different skin spots. It even helps repair skin cells and promotes natural regeneration. According to a 2010 study published in the Journal of Chemical and Pharmaceutical Research, among many skin benefits of aloe vera, it can clear dark spots and even make the skin clear. Extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf. Apply it directly on the dark pubic area. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then wash it off with water. Use this natural treatment once daily for quick results. 2. Lemon juice. Lemon juice works as a great skin lightening remedy, thanks to its acidic property. The vitamin C in it helps get rid of dead cells and improve overall skin tone. It also stimulates regeneration of healthy skin cells. You can use either of these remedies daily until you are satisfied with the results. Cut a lemon in half and rub the inner part along your bikini line for a couple of minutes. Allow the juice to remain on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. Mix the juice from 1/2 of a lemon with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Apply it to the delicate area. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse the area with water. As lemon juice can dry out your skin, apply a moisturizer or just coconut oil after using these remedies. Note: avoid applying lemon juice if you've recently waxed your bikini area, as it can lead to skin irritation. Also, do not expose your skin to the sun for 1 to 2 days after using either of the lemon juice remedies. 3. Cucumber juice. Cucumber juice has skin lightening properties. The vitamin A in cucumbers helps reduce skin darkness by controlling your skin's production of melanin. Plus, the high water content helps keep the skin hydrated and glowing. Extract the juice from 1/2 of a cucumber and apply it all over your bikini area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. Repeat twice daily for quick results. Alternatively, mix 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice with 1/2 tablespoon each of lemon juice and turmeric powder. Apply it to your dark pubic area. Keep it on the skin for 10 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. Repeat once daily. 4. Orange peel. Instead of throwing away the peels after eating oranges, you can use them for their skin lightening properties. The peels work as a natural bleach and can help lighten dark blotches and remove them over time. They can even help lighten a suntan. The peels contain more vitamin C than the orange pulp itself. This vitamin plays a key role in combating free radical damage that destroys functioning skin cells and can make your skin shine with a glow. Put peels from a couple of oranges in the sun to dry. Once dry, grind the peels into a fine paste. Mix 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. You can also add a little honey to the mixture. Apply it over your bikini line where you have dark skin. Allow it to dry, then scrub off the paste with wet hands. Finally, rinse the area with cool water. Repeat 2 times a week. 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes have a bleaching effect and hence act as a skin lightening agent. The lycopene, an antioxidant in tomatoes, helps protect skin against sun damage. It makes skin less sensitive to UV damage, one of the main causes of a dark bikini line. It can even help get rid of dead skin from the bikini area as well as other body parts. Rub a piece of tomato in circular motions on the dark skin for a couple of minutes. Allow the juice to remain on the skin for 10 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. Repeat once daily. 6. Almonds. Both whole almonds and almond oil can help lighten and even out your skin tone in the bikini area. The high vitamin E and A content as well as the essential fatty acids in almond oil help nourish, soothe and moisturize your skin. Whole almonds are beneficial for exfoliating and softening the skin. Soak 5 or 6 whole almonds overnight. The next morning, grind them into a smooth paste. Mix 1 tablespoon of whole milk into the paste and apply it on the affected skin. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse gently while rubbing the paste around in circular motions. Repeat 2 or 3 times a week for best results. Also, massage the area with warm almond oil for about 5 minutes daily before going to bed. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. For more recipes and information, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.